All right, in the next use case, I want to have a little bit more detailed look into the PI control, and I also would like to implement a window contact for the mode changeover. Let's get into it. First, we got to activate the temperature PI control. For implementing the window contact later on, we need 3 1-bit objects, so we're going to do this setting already. The mode after reset, I would like our controller to start in the standby mode after a reset. Next up, I would like to change the increments in which we can change the temperature. So 10 is 1 degree and I would like to have it in a half degree. So I'm gonna put a value of 5 that you need to multiply with the 0.1 to get the actual increment for the changing of the nominal value. Okay. Also, we have set here the we have set the separate. This is the default value, which we're gonna need now also. So in the standby value, I would like to have a value of 20 degrees. Hence, I'm gonna put the 200 here. The minimum and maximum object you can set from 16 to 28 degrees. In the echo, I would like to have 16 degrees. This is okay. We can also put 17 degrees, so you can just see the change over. Next up, we're gonna have a look at the inputs because we need to use one input of our ETR 101 BA2 for the window contact. Hence, we're gonna activate the yes, go on the first input, and we set the function of a switch. That's correct. And the telegram, first we gotta send 0 when pressing the button, and when releasing the button, we want to send a 1. That's all we gotta set in the parameters. And next up, we're gonna have a look at the group objects that we need to link. First up, we're gonna use our current temperature set point and we're gonna link it to the group address of the current set point. First one done. Next up, we're gonna use the control variable heating level 1, which is an output, and we're gonna connect it to the group address 002, the control variable of the heating. Next up, we're gonna take the mode control with the echo and standby mode, and we're gonna connect it to our group address of the mode control, echo and standby. Lastly, we're gonna use the push button and connect it to the last group address as well. And here we are. So if the window contact is activated, meaning the window is open, it will go from the standby mode in the echo mode and lowering the temperature, allowing us to save some energy with a really smart heating control.